Count by fives from 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Answer, 25. 6 kilograms equals how many grams? Answer, 6,000 g. 4 plus 5 equals minus 0. Answer, 9. Create a line plot for the data, 2, 8, 8, 10, 2. Answer, plot with values marked, 2, 8, 8, 10, 2. Create a line plot for the data, 4, 5, 3, 9, 6. Answer, plot with values marked, 4, 5, 3, 9, 6. What is 7 minus 4? Answer, 3. Create a line plot for the data, 4, 10, 10, 3, 7. Answer, plot with values marked, 4, 10, 10, 3, 7. 7 plus 6 equals minus 0. Answer, 13. 6 plus 9 equals minus 0. Answer, 15. What is 8 minus 3? Answer, 5. Count by fives from 0, 0, 5, 10, 15. Answer, 20. What is 9 minus 7? Answer, 2. Write division sentence for 10 divided by 5. Answer, 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 rows of 5 blocks equals? Answer, 10. 7 kilograms equals how many grams? Answer, 7,000 g. Write division sentence for 12 divided by 2. Answer, 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 2 rows of 5 blocks equals? Answer, 10. 2 plus 9 equals minus 0. Answer, 11. 4 rows of 4 blocks equals? Answer, 16. What is 8 plus 2? Answer, 10.